That is your Amish contractor. I don't know if you can see. Morning YouTube, welcome back to the channel. About to start hauling corn off the granier again this morning. I got to check gas in the truck with my redneck gas gauge here before we get going. Whew. Half a tank. We're good for a little while. So we filled up the dump trucks last night, parked them in the barn just so we wouldn't get a dew on them this morning. Filled the big rig up, got it tarped up sitting in the field, so we're about to haul all them off town. Alex is about to go start greasing the combine, servicing it, servicing the grain cart, servicing the tractor, and then we'll go from there. So better get to getting. Let's go, guys. So I'll let you ride along with me to town this morning. 8 o'clock. Yesterday was an interesting day. I shut the camera going. I got behind 2 Amish buggies and I got passed on a double yellow line by 10 cars because I was behind buggies. So hopefully the day's a little smoother. If not, you'll get to see it. So let's get to town. And first buggy. That is your Amish contractor. I don't know if you can see, but he's got his construction belt on there with his hammer and stuff, got his ladder, got his Yeti cooler. Yeah, they buy Yeti coolers. I can't go around them good because I can't get enough speed to get around him, so I can't see enough to jump around him. I'll give him a minute. And I got a grain truck behind me too, big rig, so pretty sure I got behind this fella yesterday morning. This is one of them I got behind yesterday morning. But as you can see, I can't see very far in front of us. Double yellow line. There's a little rise right here. I can't get around him enough time to. So we're supposed to be patient for a minute. Okay, thanks for joining along. Well, we're at the granier, so we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it off here for a minute, and then we'll catch you back at the field. See you in a minute. And we're back, folks. Got a little live action from the field here. Got going this morning. Got a little bit later start than I wanted to. That's okay. Had a heavier dew, so I was able to run in town and get some fuel, get some oil and whatnot, some spray oil, fuel treatment. You know, got a few chores done this morning for errands around town. Come back, got the combine serviced. Been cutting about 10 minutes or so. Later last night than I did. However, we're running into some morning glories. There's a wet spot, or was a wet spot. That's just right back that way. That is ate up with morning glories. And that is the only spot in this field that has morning glories in it so far, is this one wet spot, which is fine with me. Hopefully that is the only spot of morning glories we'll run into this year, or on this farm. I'm not saying this year. We've already run into plenty of morning glories due to the wet weather. And y'all know how I feel about morning glories. I hate them. I hate them darn things. They're my nemesis. They're my arch enemy. Morning glories are my arch enemy. As right now anyways. So, couldn't run that late. Morning glories got dampened, got to where they would not feed in the head without me having to get off and get up in the head to clean them out. So we quit, loaded both dump trucks, semi. Was going to leave a load in the grain cart, but due to the morning glory feeding problem, we decided not to do that. So we called it early night. Home, spent a little time with the family before bedtime. Got up this morning and got cracking for just in time to see me
loading the first load this morning. Really, this farm sits a really nice location. Really pretty up here. So gonna turn back around and get her nose dipped back in the corn. Jesse texted me just a minute ago, said he's on his way back. He hauled corn to town this morning. He hauled a load in the white truck, which is right there. It's empty. I'm putting stuff in the grain cart right now. That way, when he gets back in the semi, we put it in bed. Dad had to be gone for work a little while this morning, so it's just me and Jesse running for right now. So we're probably going to run more with the semi and the grain cart until Dad gets here, and then we'll start running all the trucks again. But if we get to a point to where Jesse's sitting in line too much, what I'll do is fill both dump trucks up. If he still ain't back, I'll fill the grain cart up. If he's still not back, I'll leave one load in the combine so we'll have a full semi load, and I'll take a dump truck to town. But that's going to be kind of our day so far today. Give you a shot of the field. So we open it up on the edge right here. It goes plumb. There's a little rise, goes over that rise. He's about 90 acres in this part. As you can tell, the field's relatively clean. Got a few little bit of morning glories right here. The wet spot's just over this next little dip. But these morning glories have not taken the corn all the way down. They're still up so I can get the nose cones underneath it. And since it's dried out a little bit, because it is after 11 now, it's dried out, so it's actually feeding pretty good. I'll show you the wet spot I was talking about just a minute ago, where the morning glories are the worst. There's a few right here. Just a very few. There's none once you get back over there. As you can see, we're getting back into it. It's slowing down my feet a little bit. But right over there is where the bad part is. You can see it's got that corn pulled down a little bit. I'll try to get what I can get. If I can't get it all, I'll just leave it. I'll just pick up and run over it. I don't want to, but I might have to if it's not going to feed. Hey, if any of y'all know how to make morning glories feed better through a head, you know, drop a comment and let me know how y'all do it. These things are my nemesis. So we're getting back at it. All the inrows knocked out, and we've gotten, I've cut about 10 loads in the combine so far, which is not too bad considering it's just two of us working today. I'm running the combine, Jesse's running the semi, he's also operating the grain cart in between loads. So right now, what we're doing is, I put 2 dumps in the grain cart, and then I start filling the dump truck up. Jesse gets, when he starts heading back, he'll text me, and I'll make sure I have another load cut in the combine here, which is what I got, and I'll come up and dump it off into the grain cart while he's filling the semi. Y'all see that when I swing over. We're trying not to track around too much. The fields are damp, and I found some more wet spots in them. So I'm dumping into the grain cart, and he's dumping into the semi. I've let him, he's probably got about half of it out right now. I should be able to run full blast and get the combine empty way before he fills the semi up. But it's working pretty good. You know, when it's just two of us, it's a slow process. The good thing is, where we're at right now is a little bit closer to our granary, or the local granary, and a lot of other folks are still having a problem with high moisture on their corn. Our moisture's running about 14.5 to 15, which is good. So we're able to ship it right out. But we're moving right along. So I about got the buggy full back up, but you can notice that you'll be able to see it working its way down. See it running down right there. As y'all can tell, the sun's starting to set. We got all the trucks full, so we about to call tonight. Appreciate y'all being along with us, and if y'all like what you see, you know, give us a like, you know. Subscribe if you'd like to. You know, drop a comment if you feel like it. And like always, we appreciate y'all being with us. But good Lord willing, we'll catch you on the flip side.